What's up, guys? It's Keith Trades. Today is July 12th, and we're going to go over today's trade, an absolute banger trade. Right, we called the longs for a ridiculous run, 96 points, right? And the Discord launched on last Friday, and we're here this Friday, a week later, 9 for 10, a 90% win rate. Our loss was eaten up 30 minutes later by a 2-1, right? Irrelevant. We're consistent, and we are very great and very quality analysis traders. Right, so coming in to our pre-market plan, right, mainly looking long. I said we have swept sell side and found buying out of a daily fair value gap. I like to see market break structure, deliver higher to 24.71, 24.93, rebalance to the 4-hour fair value gap, 25.41. Right, very simple analysis. Right, 24.71 was just the high of news. Right, just the high before the market opens. Whoops, let me go on 15. So here's 24.71, right? Just the high off of the open. 24.93, very simple, right? It's just this yesterday's high, 24.93, and then 25.41, very simple, is just a draw to fill into this imbalance here. And my intraday target I called was up here. Right, coming in the session, right, I said we found buying out of a daily fair value gap, right? Here's what I'm looking at. Daily fair value gap here. Market taps into it, right? What do? We sweep previous day's low into the daily. So I know if we find buying, we can minimum see market reprice to discount of the range, right? Because we're overall still bullish, although we had a crazy selling yesterday, if we respect the daily and have a power of 3, right, we're likely to price to what? Discount of the range. That lies here, right? Pretty much in line with this fair value gap. Right, on the 1 hour. Coming on the 15-minute chart, right, very clear power 3. Market booms and takes out all of these targets right off the open. I'm not able to catch a setup off that. What do we have? After hours accumulation, downside manipulation, right? 15-minute power 3. Break a structure to the upside. What do we form? A fair value gap. Right, so this is my play point. I understand that if we respect, we're likely to rebalance to what? Discount of yesterday's range and fill the 1 hour imbalance. If we displace lower, we're likely to run the news low. Right, coming into our entry model, very simple. Right, I did not have a call out for this because I was trading it live with the team members. Testimonials, proof of fills, everything is there, right? But I said, right, 25.41 and 26.47 are our last targets. 25.41 gets hit. 26.47 is what I'm looking at. 26.47 is very simple. It is just this level, right? The draw to fill into the 1 hour fair value up to hit what? Discount of the range here, right? So I call that at 6:49 a.m., right? So I call that right here. Here's where I made the call for the longs, right? Entry model, we tap back into the 15-minute fair value up. We see a sell side sweep at this level, right? I'm looking for either a bearish fair value gap to get inversed or a bullish to form. We end up filling a bullish fair value gap. I get my entry long here, put my stop at the wick low. Right, price target 1 is just this high, buy side high. PT2 is the 26.47. As you see, 26.47 was called out at 6:54 a.m. Or 6:49, 6:44 a.m. Right, same thing. Right, we called it out here, and then we got our model, and we execute trades at target. Right, 17-point risk. PT1 for 35, PT2 for 96, and market ends up running higher. Right, and I pretty much capped the high of day. How did I do that? Right, I said 27.35, midpoint of 1 hour SIBI would be the last long target. How did I cap the high of day? Very simple. Right, you understand that we're clear selling. You're not going to look for a new all-time high on the market. ES hit one. You're not looking for that for NQ. Right, so we hit the 1 hour. What are we likely to see? Right, the next target would be midpoint. That's how I called that. 27.35, and we pretty much capped the high of day there. Right. All we need is one trade. Got that quality trade. That's all we need. Let's review this one more time. Right, coming into the session, clear selling yesterday. So we know that if we find a buy model, we can reprice to what? Discount of the range. We see a after hours consolidation, downside manipulation off news. Power of 3. We market structure shift to the upside, and we form a 15-minute fair value at play point. Fair value gap taps in with the internal sell side sweep. We form a bullish fair value gap where I can see my long entry. I get in long. Price target 1 is the immediate high. Price target 2 is the 1 hour fair value gap fill into what? Discount of the range. Right? And let's go into the testimonials. All right, as you see, Gabe posted his trade here. Another right dub, 35 points. Great Friday, easy 30 points. If we go into our live trading stage in our open chat, right? Ask these guys. You caught it? Heck yeah. Yes, sir. W trade caught the dub. Easy. I'm in the green. Right? Beautiful stuff. Right? That is a very quick review of July 12th. It's the only trade that we took, and it was a banger. Right? We have a promo code running right now. Right? Code MPLLC for $10 off. Hope you guys see you there next week. Next week will be no different. We will execute the micro precision and we will catch bangers. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and a comment. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.